Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take these $2.08 fence pickets and turn them into these boxes. Okay, we're going to cut our pieces for our box. 2 pieces 10 inches long, that'll be the front and back. 2 pieces 5.5 long, that's for the sides. And 1 piece 8 3/4 long, that's the bottom. Okay, here we go. Safety first. Pick this piece and I'm going to laser engrave an image on the front. So I'm first going to turn on the laser, which is an Algo 22 watt diode laser. Okay, here we go. Okay, the laser job's done. It took about 8 minutes. We're going to go ahead and glue and nail. I'm using 1-inch brad nails.